guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Today we got something special. Well, today we're working on the device mod 99.5, but I've also got a new, it's still in the works, but we've got a new layout. We got a new layout for these live streams, guys. So I'm going to show you guys real quickly before we actually start today the new stuff, because I was working on it yesterday. That's why there wasn't any video yesterday, because I was working on this, and yeah, it's pretty cool so far, and you'll see something cool. You'll see something cool that I've got to show you. But yeah, this is like a new kind of screen that we're going to be starting on every single day. I thought it would be good to have like a, you know, welcome everybody to the stream, tell you what we're doing today, and yeah. Alright, so let's start this off. So today we are working on the actual application marker, and what I want to do and finally do is make the install button actually work. So pretty much there'll be nothing in the taskbar anymore. So finally the install button will work, and you can actually install apps, uninstall apps. And then, you know, you don't have all the apps in the app tray, you can actually just have the ones you really want. That will be changed as well in the future a little bit, like we will have it so you can pin applications to it. You can make it so you can remove it, but it's still actually installed. But just for now, we're going to make it so you actually have to install the app, and then it will show up in the bar below. I mean, what about the wallpaper? Yeah, we'll do the wallpaper later on. We can't do everything today, like, so I'll be like, Cray, finish the mod today. Finish the mod today. I can't do that. So I can't do everything. But yeah, make sure you guys let me know, you know, how you rate this layout, because it's pretty cool. I put a pretty decent amount of time into it. Now, it's not like 100% different. But there is one significant change, and you guys will most likely like it. Hey Cray, I donated during your last live stream. Oh yeah, Lewis, dude, look right there, look. There's your name. It's there too. You got AJ Huang. You guys are the top donators so far of May. Well, top super chatters. I might change it to donators. Because I know some people have donated. RIP vehicle warehouse. What happened to the vehicle warehouse? What happened to it? Alrighty, anyway, let's head over to the code view here. Oh my god, no, that wasn't supposed to come up. That wasn't supposed to come up. Alright, here we go. We're in the code view now. So this is what it's going to look like now, my dude. So we have that. Fix this up ever so slightly. Bring that up. Pull that down. There we go. So it's not like crazy different, but like as you can see below me now, I've got Mr. Crayfish, pretty damn cool. And then below that is my kind of like my sponsors and influencers. Below me there, and then over that side of the stream, we have the cheese and cracker supply jar. We have the, again, top monthly super chatters. That's going to be improved again. I'm going to change around the top super chatters to like top donators, and then I'm also going to have like this kind of font as well with it. So this font here you'll see over that side as well for the actual title of top donators. The music is louder than you. I'm having a hard time hearing you. What? Hold on. Is the music loud? Oh no, hold up. Hold up, here we go. Why didn't you tell me? No one told me my microphone was down. Now it should be a lot better. Should be a lot better now. My microphone was down. Oh, dang!
Hey Cray, I'm hanging out with my grandparents at my house. I can't miss a single live stream.
Lewis, holy shoot, coming in hot with a $50 donation straight off the bat. Holy shoot, dude, you should probably hang out with your grandparents. That's just my opinion, but but I appreciate the support, dude. And can we get some hype for him right now? I want to get like a when actually we do get sort of a donation or a super chat like that, I want to get like an emoji where you guys can actually kind of like spam it, which is like indicates like it could be like a Cray token, or it could be like a diamond or something like that for when somebody actually donates. I think that would be cool to spam when somebody actually donates. But cheers, Lewis, for the support. I'm glad you enjoy my live streams, and like you're dedicated because you're like, my grandparents are here, but you know, crayfish for life. I appreciate the support, dude. You're gonna be my paycheck for the month. Holy shoot. Alrighty, so this is the programming layout. This is the programming layout. All right, let's go ahead. Let's load up the game here. We'll make sure we'll wait till it's actually loaded up first before I switch over to it. Oh, you know, before we even do that, we'll just leave that going. Alrighty, so this is a new thing. You guys kind of got an idea of it. If you watched the other live streams, you would have seen me accidentally have this play. But I finally created some sort of thing to kind of promote sponsors in a way, to promote sponsoring the channel. So tell me what you think about this. I need to know what you guys think. But we're gonna go ahead and let's open it up right now. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Become a sponsor. Become a sponsor. It kind of lagged there. I think it's because it didn't load it. Yeah, there we go. Because I had to load up the file for the first time. How cool is that? It's pretty cool, isn't it? So you'll probably see that throughout the live streams at some times. Now, I do got some other stuff I'm going to be doing, so like this is not finished. There is going to be more stuff with this whole layout system. But I guess one of them is going to be super exciting. That is really laggy. No, it's because the first one I was trying to load up the file at the same time, but it should be fine now. Alrighty, so this is the next change. So we're going to go into the full screen Minecraft layout. This one I really like. Oh no, it's not loaded! Hold on, it should load. There we go. Yo, there it is. Have a look at this. How sick is this? How sick is this, guys? This is so good. And then it like works perfectly with like anything to do with Minecraft anyway, because it doesn't interfere with like the GUI or anything like that. So it's super duper cool. Oh yeah, we're in the vehicle mod, by the way. I didn't mean to be in the vehicle mod. How dare you forget the Discord partner icon? Hey, what are you talking about? Hey, what's that? It's right there. You can see I got the hoodie on. See, look at that. I didn't forget it. It's right there. That's literally the same one. But what do you guys think? Do you guys like this? If you're lagging, turn down your quality because you probably can't keep up with 1080p 60 FPS if you're on that quality. Because like this one, I keep explaining it every single time, but if you're lagging, turn down the quality. Are you a normie or memer? Memer, bro. Who's a normie? No one's normie. Have you guys heard of the yodeling kid? I only just discovered it yesterday. Have you heard of Harambe, guys? I only discovered Harambe yesterday. It's a hilarious meme. Hilarious memes. Alrighty, so what do you guys think? No one's rating it. No one's rating it. You guys are like, meh, it's alright. It's alright, I don't care. It's cool, whatever, crayfish. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter, it's crap layout, by the way. That doesn't count, you gotta use that logo that came with the press kit or whatever it's called. Don't have to use it. It's no, they don't force you to use it. They give it to you to show off, basically. Finally, a 10 out of 10 in the chat. Finally. Took you ages, guys. Took you ages. I already answered your question. Yeah, Master Chief, how's it doing? Equals 10 out of 10. 10 out of 9. Pretty cool, isn't it? I like it. And then, I don't think there's anything different with that. Oh no, I did clean up that a little bit. It says Mr. Crayfish now on the BRB screen. And yeah, nothing really different about it. Except for I got getting, you know, I could if I want. Woo! Flashing sign, getting lunch. There's a strange thing that happens when you go to the Be Right back screen. The words getting lunch flashes. Alright, we're back here now. So, let me know what you think of this new layout. Let me know what you think of this. Oh! Have you guys become a sponsor yet? It's only $5. You can get access to exclusive emojis, Minecraft server, and more. Hashtag plug. Have you guys become a sponsor yet? Become a sponsor yet? Alright? Get exclusive emojis, Minecraft server, and more. Have you guys become a sponsor yet? Just wondering. Hashtag sellout. Oh my god. Have you guys heard this? No, I won't do it. Alright. You get the point. You get the point, my dudes. Alright, let's switch over to the device mod. Guys, what I'm sponsor. I'm addicted to it. I'm addicted to it. At 10, I'm going to sleep and going to the school next day. Okay, that's pretty normal. I'm a mega sponsor, moderator, Patreon Premium, and sponsor on both channels. Legit. That's called mega sponsor right there. Penguin song, please? No. Never request that. I should put a ban on you, my dude. Never request that. Never request that. Alrighty. How weird's this? I don't know if it was... I don't know, like, maybe there is a good reason behind it. Maybe there's a good reason behind it. But I don't get this. I don't get this. Minecraft, like... I don't know. But the Minecraft developers, like, created an array of all the heights that it's gonna render at. Like, they didn't just calculate it, because, you know, they didn't just calculate the height depending on the percent, you know. Can't do that. Can't do that. They actually, like, created some height lengths and then do some calculations here to get the height. I don't know what's up with it. Can you do CupG stream in the next 2 days? My school holiday has just ended. Maybe, we'll see. I am actually going out. I'm going out tonight. I'm going out tomorrow night. So I might only have a live stream. I might only. It's really pushing it. Either I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow, or I'm going to be live streaming in 2 days from now. One of those two. So that would be Saturday for me. Also, probably Saturday for me. I won't be live streaming, and that will be Friday night for you guys. Sunday, I'll most likely be live streaming, so that'll be Saturday night for you guys. I don't use Eclipse. It's IntelliJ. Alright. So let's... Oh, let's see, sorry. We need to... let's get rid of that. What was this? What is this? I don't know what changed. It's like something just moved, like I've repositioned it or something. Get stack. I don't know, fixed up like... I don't know, it's like fixed. I don't know. Improved code. Somehow. I don't know what that is. We should really. Holy shit! No, what the heck?
I know I can't beat the last donation, but here's to the device mod and all your other epic mods.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Master Chief. Cheers to you for the support. I'm gonna drink to that. Get some hype for Master Chief right now, guys, in the chat. Been a long time supporter. He's donated quite a bit. Let's get some real hype. Let's get some real hype. I'm glad you enjoy his live streams, Master Chief. I've talked to you quite a bit. We'll have to talk again real soon about Git Web Builder. But cheers for the donation, dude, and hope you're having a good day too as well. I hope everybody's having a good day. Let me know if you've had a good day. Let me know if you've had a good day. Alrighty, whatever. I'll figure it out later. No, don't get rid of it. And whatever, don't matter. Alright. We Gucci. We Gucci now. So do I have like a do I have like an app store? Do I have an app store branch, or is it? Oh, it would have been applications. Yeah, it would have been applications on. Let's take a look at UI redesign. Alright, let's get rid of that. Whoop. Why is that? What's going on here? Hold up. I know, hold up. Yeah, hold up. 2 seconds. That should have been ignored. Yeah, and then output. Publish output.log. Alright. Let's have a look at this. This is an old branch. This is like super duper old branch. But I want to have a look at it because this is what like I'm actually going to change around to. Nice face cam logo. Cheers, Think Club Minions. What should I call you instead? Because like Think Club Minions is like super long. Can I just call you Minions? I don't know, Minions? Can I just call, what can I call you instead? I'll let you decide. Do a tutorial on how to bypass the MCA system so you get 100%. What? What do you mean that? What do you mean? I don't know what that is. 99.5? Alright, whoopsie. Hold up. Call me Think. Think just sounds weird. It is because like it's hard to differentiate the word think from the actual real word. That's why it needs to be like a noun. It needs to be a name. Can you give me that's why Minions works. Minion. I challenge you to make a mod using only armor stands or resource back structures functions with the command block structures. RIP no. No, I mean I could do it, but like I just don't want to. I just don't want to. Alright, let's go no. Dude, this branch is so outdated. Holy shoot. It's like a 4-month-old branch. I think I've watched every stream since January, but I don't know if I've ever commented. Really? Hate it. What the heck? Lol. I love people how they just come in like, oh, I'm gonna swear in his live stream. Oh yeah, cool. Look at this. Look at this. Instant. I don't know, we'll say, yeah. I usually, Master Chief, I mean, I'm always live streaming, so I always see the people, but like, if somebody ever comes in and you've never seen them before, I mean, I guess it only applies to me really, because I see everybody that's in the chat. But usually if I've never seen them before and they come in the live stream and they swear, I'm usually like instant ban, because like, literally your first ever message, I'm just gonna instantly ban you, so. Like, I could not care. Like, if you were like a normal regular and you accidentally say like a swear word, like I've seen a couple of people say it, and we've just given them timeouts, which is understandable. And you know, we understand. Like, my whole goal is I don't want to ban anybody. I don't want to ban anybody. I just want you guys to be friendly, and that's it. But sometimes we gotta ban people, and it's not fun. Alrighty, so this is a very old branch. As you can see, we don't have any crafting recipes in this one. But this is like something that we were working on a while ago, and that was actually improving the user interface. And as you can see, it's like a completely different. It still needs some improvements, like I think like this before actually wasn't here. This yeah, hold on, let's have a look. So like it's 100% better, and I feel like it's so much better than the, because like I created this original one literally in the first days of the device mod. Like I don't even know when I first created, but it was like during the first couple of days of developing the device mod. If you want an example, check out the Tempest box. I forgot what we're talking about. Oh. I don't know. I mean, it sounds cool to do it, but like, I just don't have the time, like, honestly, I don't have the time. I got enough projects on my plate at the moment. I got too many projects on my plate. I have leftovers now. So, I gotta be careful of what I work on. Crayfish, I got the lasers mod and the device mod, so how do I connect the lasers to my laptop? You need to connect the laser to a router via an Ethernet cable, and then make sure your laptop's connected to the router as well. I did show in the video how to do it, so technically you didn't even watch the whole entire video. How to download your laser mod. You just install it alongside the device mod, so look up how I install the device mod and do exactly the same thing, and just put it in the mods folder. You can call me Minions, but do a tutorial on how to fart. Oh my god. Alright, Minions, whatever you say. Wow, that was like in 2015. I remember when you got something, device mod Lenovo Y720 or something like that. Oh wow, that's okay. You are a real one. I was like, this guy legit, but he is like legit. You remember that? Yeah. Yeah, I haven't. Still, I don't know. Hopefully, I'm gonna PAX this year. Because I got it below Legion, Lenovo. Go-to game. So if you guys don't know who, I mean, this is not, I'm not trying to plug, but like, if you guys are wondering what the actual sponsors were down below, it's actually 2 different ones. It's not actually one single one. So the first one's Lenovo Legion, which is just the gaming brand of Lenovo. Kind of like how, like, you know, there's HP and, you know, Alienware. I think it's like HP Omen or something like that. This is just the Lenovo version of the gaming kind of series. And then the one next to it is actually Go-To Game, which is just kind of people that will organize. It's like kind of like a management type thing. Like they'll organize, you know, for YouTubers like myself to go to events and whatnot. Kind of like go to PAX, because they did it last year. So hopefully this time, again, I'll be going to PAX. Anybody going to PAX Australia? PAX Australia, anybody? Anyone from Australia? Anyone from Australia's? New here, subscribed yesterday after trying out your mods for the first time. Don't know why I never did before, but they've all risen to my favorites quickly. Awesome, Jack. Which one's your favorite? And which ones did you try out as well? Did you try out all of them or something like that? 100 device mod development. No, it's 99.5, alright? 99.5. These are episodes, not... These are episodes, not the count number of how many streams we've done. Next one's 99.75. Each time we just keep adding a 9 onto that ocelot as well. Just keep adding a 9. We're approaching 100. We'll never get to 100. Alright, so that's an interesting branch. What else have we got? Router, yeah, a lot of these are like old. Like, oh my god, there's like, what's this? What's the oldest one? Databases, 8 months ago. Oh, I didn't mean to click that. No! 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 UI redesign. What else have we got? Databases. I know. What do I want to go to? Applications. I still haven't added that to every single one. What we might do is like pull the master to this. Update, merge into current branch, master. Alright, there we go. I think that's good. Let's just load up the game. See how we're going. 99 offensive videos online, 99 offensive videos, take one down, keep it down, 110, 100,000 people. Oh my god. This summer I'm going to Australia. I'm visiting most of Australia. Ah, Mr. Shellfish. Where are you going to? I wish I could go to PAX in Oz. What the heck's the neighbor doing? What are the programs you use for your modding? I use IntelliJ, which is just a general Java IDE. It's not like... I feel like a lot of people get... Is it called the misconception? Hold up. Misconception. I think, yeah. They get the misconception that the program that I'm using is like designed for Minecraft modding. But it's not. It's just designed for Java development. And then you use what is known as the Forge MDK, which is a Gradle system, to build the mod, decompile Minecraft so it can actually start modding. do a setup tour. I'll do a setup tour once everything's finished. I've got a lot of plans. As you can see, I've still got the foam on the ground behind me. I don't have a full face cam scene anymore, but I've still got all the foam behind me. And the reason like I haven't put it up yet is because I still need to get a shelf, because I'm gonna have a shelf over there, right? It's gonna be like a tall shelf, like a floor to the roof shelf. Because if we're gonna have like, if I'm gonna put the foam on the wall, I want to actually, you know, put it around it. I can't put the foam up then put the shelf up. Why is the printer not working for me? I placed it on the side of the laptop filled with 64 paper, and when I try to print something, I see no printers. It's because it doesn't connect by putting it next to it. You got to connect it to a router. So get an Ethernet cable, right click the printer, then right click a router to connect it to it. Because you gotta remember, everything is on a network in the game when you're playing with it. So if you want to connect to a printer, it's gonna be on your Wi-Fi network. Kinda like real life. Think about real life. How do I connect to my printer wirelessly? Maybe it should be on the same network. So, there you go. There you go, my dude. Alrighty. So, I think we're good to go and start designing some stuff. No longer do we have GitWeb on here, my dudes. No longer GitWeb. We just have boring stuff on here. There's no internet! What the heck? Oh yeah, look at this. Pixel Painter. Completely different. That, it's the worst GUI I've ever seen. That should just be like open. Looks actually good. Yeah, I gotta fix up some things. So like, what I wanted to do over here was like preview the picture. I wanted to preview the picture. Ugh! What was with that? Just wondering if anything else has changed. No, it didn't. Okay. Alrighty, so what we want to do is make it so we can install applications now. So, I'm trying to think how we're going to do this. So basically we need some sort of list. Maybe an ordered list too. An ordered list too. Is there any sort of like implementation, like a... Will there ever be a way so that we can put layouts inside layouts? You can already. You can already, Alex. Because a layout is extends component. No, I've already... I didn't pull my PR for the App Store, what? You had a PR for that? Oh, let's have a look. All South Australia, most of New South Wales and Queensland. Awesome, dude. I hope you enjoy your trip. Most likely won't see you, but we'll see. Meet up! Did you submit a PR, Alex? Multiple authors. Oh, that's your... Yeah, that was different. The heck is this? I know. It's probably me. Why is all this in here? Like, Working on, I see it. What part do you live on? South Australia. Analog clock. Yeah, I don't know. Because like, the thing is, when I do the PR and I see the changes, it comes up with all my changes. So I don't know what's yours and don't know what's mine. So you might have to redo that PR. Because this definitely does not have anything to do with me. Has nothing to do with multiple multiple authors. Like 157 files changed. Redo your PR. Yeah, I did it wrong. Yeah, I did it wrong. Yeah, I know I can, but look at the test app JSON file. Yeah, I know, I've seen it already. I looked at it, but like the thing is, I'm worried about is we have. It says normally when you do a PR, from my experience, is it doesn't come up with 67 commits. Files changed, even though they're like apparently my commits. I don't understand why they're included, and it just kind of scares me if I'm gonna merge it. First time contributor. All right, just clean it up. You can redo it. Slight bug with image if not fine. I think that's fixed already. Yeah, I already fixed that up. Whoops. I think I actually... Did I reference it? No, I didn't. Okay, whatever. Hey, look at this. Look how many commits. Look how many commits. 939 commits, my dude. I mean, that's for the Git web branch, but that'll eventually be in the master. Eventually be in the master. What about my chair PR? What? Oh yeah, this one I haven't actually merged. Let's have a look. See, this one's a better one because it now it has one commit and 2 files changed. That's basically right. Oh, what is up with the formatting on this, dude? Or is that? I don't know what's going on. Hold on, let's have a look. View. What's going on here? Because I'm going to receive it like that, by the way. And that is unreadable. Left control. Wait, so how did you... If player's sneaking... So what was your solution if... Very bad to do that. It's a crash on a server already. Crash on a server. Because of the keyboard. Keyboard's client side only. So crash. Not merging because that's a crash. Alright, App Store. So where's my App Store? Application Market, there we go. So taskbar. Such an old file. It's core. Yeah, there it is. So, list of applications, set up applications, valid apps. How does it want me to reduce this? Simplify. Oh. Yeah, we're just gonna be careful about this. Like, this, it's giving me like a warning here when it really, because like this is always like gonna be a hard, like it's always gonna be false or whatever, or true. But like, it's only like when I actually export it, you know. So, just gonna leave that like that. Where can I suggest things to add to the device mode? You can do it here, or you can do it on the Discord. Hey Cray, I'd like everyone to see this pic, but I can't type it here. What could I do, or could you quickly check Twitter? What is it? What's the picture? Add new vehicle, please. I've already added a new vehicle. Check out the latest update, dude. We only do it on Wednesdays. So make sure you're here next Wednesday when we actually add a new vehicle in. But if you have suggestions for vehicles, do let me know. It's my go-kart track. Ah, okay, hold up. Let's have a quick suss. See what's going on. Hold on, just make sure. And not even finished yet. Oh, that's cool. I like the jump idea. That jump idea is cool. Oh, there it is. It's just a corner. It's just a corner. And if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shout out, and also snap that like button right in half if you're enjoying this live stream so far. If you guys haven't seen the new layouts, they're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome if you ask me. So have a look at this. Yo, lit. This is lit. Doesn't work well for the device mod, but I will. Still works, I guess. New layouts, lit layout, lit everything. Alright, so, taskbar, okay, so it's in laptop. So we need to do something like laptop, maybe like it's probably better off to keep a list of the installed applications inside of the laptop. Trying to figure out where to do it though. Whatever down here. Private list. We'll say app info. Installed apps. Installed apps. Oops. You guys a sponsor? You can become a sponsor today. Get a custom emojis, sponsor only Minecraft server and more. I love doing that now. Become a sponsor today, my dudes. Support the live stream. Get access to exclusive rewards. Dang plugs! Don't make me do it again. I will do it again. I will plug again. Will it be possible to create apps? It is already. That's why there's a thing called the Device API community. Alright, so is there sort of like a... Actually, we should have like a set. We should have a set instead. And what's a sorted set? I just don't want to use it just because. But let's have a look. What does it say? A set that further provides total ordering on its elements. The elements are ordered using their natural ordering by a comparator. Must implement comparable interface. Whether or not program must be consistent features, it's subset, blah blah blah. So when does that sort it? It's like an interface. Oh no, this is an interface. Whoops. Well, what actually implements this? Anybody know? I know of a way I could do it, but I'm gonna see if there's like an implementation that had it. Cray, how do I give my app? How do I give my app? It's a space mission app for the device mod. How do I give it to you? Publish it on CurseForge. So I want like a... No, I guess it doesn't really matter, to be honest. The thing is, like, I want to have like a sorted list, a sorted set. Is it like a sorted? What's like a tree? So is it like a tree? Is there a tree set? Oh, there is. Creates a new empty tree sorted according to the natural ordering of its elements. Nice ordered list. Can you set a comparator on it? Or does it have to be comparable? Comparator, okay, cool. Cool. Because what we're gonna sort them based on is might add in like a might just add in. What the heck is this sound? Minecraft, you suck. Weather. You can't. Comparator. Run. Alright. Have a public, steady, final, comparator, app info, name. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Return info1.get name compared to info2.get name. Alright, beautiful. So I can do like app info dot sort name. Perfect. So where do we we need to have like a I like this installed apps like that, but we need to have it like create from system data. I need to keep like a track of how the structure of system data is, because like I don't want to just randomly create tags. I want to keep like documentation of the formatting and the structure of it. Make a laser gun for the next gun model. The keyboard click sounds are so satisfying. Like this sound. Cray. It's called Cray. I should get a mechanical keyboard. And I've been like thinking, do I get a mechanical keyboard, but which one do I get? Because like, there's so many options. I need to buy like a mechanical keyboard like testing kit.
Hi, Cray, are planning to do office tour?
Yo, AJ Juan. Yes, I am planning to do an office tour once my office is actually finished. We were actually talking about this a second ago, but as you can see behind me, I'm padding it. Look, I'm padding it. I still got the foam there, but like before I even put that foam up, I need to put the shelf up so we know where to put the foam so I can cut around it. And yeah, it's a little bit of a big task. But I want to get some like, I want to get Elgato involved. I want to get that green screen involved, so I'll have to contact them, see what they can do. Do we need to do this here, really? Like, technically we don't need to do that. Installed apps. We're gonna have a method probably like I don't know, get installed apps. Get installed apps. Yeet! Oh, you're gonna do the yeet challenge. Have you guys heard of the yeet challenge before? You guys heard of it? You gotta find the nearest thing near you and you gotta yeet it. Alright, you gotta yeet the nearest thing to you. I don't care if it's your mum. I don't care if it's your $100 keyboard. You gotta yeet it right now. Alright, look at this. What's this? I don't even care. Look at this. Yeet! Don't even care. It's probably broken now. It's probably broken now. My god, it's gone. Yeet! Alright, so like get installed apps. Yeet! I could have guessed what the challenge was about. Yeet! I made the challenge up. I made the challenge up. Alright. Yesterday, that's the reverse yeet challenge. That's the reverse yeet challenge. You bring the furthest object away from you towards you. That's the reverse yeet challenge. Alrighty, so we have like a way to get that now. Now we've got to populate it. Now where do I want to populate it? I guess here, initialize GUI. Rocket. It'd be like system data.get tag. I just don't know the structure of the system data. It's weird, it's annoying. System data, stuff like we could just do, what's that, get tag list. Installed apps, let's say mbt dot tag string. Alright, let's say if tag, what happens, does that return null or does it return like a new, okay. Returns like a new MBT tag list. Tag ID get key is 9. What's 9? Does it have to be an MBT? How do I get tag list? Eight. Tag list. How's that work then? Get tag list. Get tag ID. Get tag ID key. Maybe it will work. Should work. Oh no, it's checking if it's an actual tag list. And then it checks the type of it. Okay, it's all good. Thou shalt be yeeted. Yeet! Yeah, what up, Survivor? How you doing, dude? Welcome back to the stream. You missed my little tour of my new layout on the live stream. I mean, it's not like super duper changed, but it's cooler now. We have like this for the actual game. pretty yeet. It's pretty cool. I like it. We also have this. Have you guys become a sponsor yet? You gonna become a sponsor? It's only $5 a month. Alright? $5 a month. You can support the channel. And you get access to exclusive emojis. And the Minecraft server. That's funny. Alright, so it's never null, so we don't have to worry about that. But we can just say, well, we still have to loop through it for int I equals 0, I is less than tag, this dot tag count, I plus plus. Is the server used that much anymore? We still use it. We used it yesterday. I use it a lot. So we played around with the vehicle mod. I actually talk with you guys, so you're just really inactive, I guess. Like, so yesterday we were actually on the server playing around with the vehicle mod. And hopefully this weekend we're actually going to do like a race. We're going to do a race. So make sure you join this weekend, guys. Make sure you join this weekend. Alright, so we have to say application manager dot get application tag list dot get string tag at I. This would be app info. And app info get. Oh no, okay. So if info doesn't equal to null, system data, oh no, not that, sorry, installed apps dot add info. There we go. So there we go. So that will load up. We've still got to actually say install the application. So hello, Mr. Crayfish. Hey, King Polar, how you doing, dude? I will yeet nulls. Do you use a paid version of IntelliJ? No. I missed it. You did. We were playing around with the vehicle mod yesterday and it was legit. It was legit. I'm watching my smart TV and my laptop for chat. Dude, that's how you do it. Big screen for the stream. Like, look at me. I'm over this guy's TV right now. Look, I'm on his TV. What a feeling. What a feeling. Right, look at this. I'm on his TV. I'm on his TV. New welcome screen. The mini bike is amazing. It absolutely is. Who's actually downloaded the new vehicle mod and played around with it so far? I guess I can say I'm on TV. Alright, so this is to be an asynchronous task right here. Where is located? API app. Okay. Get settings. I literally have no interest in playing Fortnite anymore. I'm fixing my PR and I am super tempted to add a Kotlin file to create an extension function for JSON and Alan, but nah, not today. No! No Kotlin. I will yeet your drink. Yeet! Look at me, look at this. Got some damn Pringles. I got some damn Pringles. Here's the real stuff. This is what crayfish eat. Yeet! I actually did yeet it yesterday. It was like on my desk and I hit it off, and luckily none of them came out. But the lid was open. Ah. Fortnite and PUBG. Nah. PUBG. That's where it's at. PUBG. Where's 100? It's coming. We're just doing 99.5 right now. So I'm thinking, would you guys want access to a list of the installed applications? I mean, that kind of makes... Would you want to access? Yeah. Would you guys want to access to a list of the installed applications? Yes, Dad. Alright, I can do that. I already missed those pixels covering the bottom of your webcam. So a lot of people have been saying you want access to it. So I guess we could give access through the system interface. So we'll have like a set. Get installed apps. Get installed apps. It's already there, but what we're gonna do is do like new. I'll say new. New hash set. New hash set. Is there a better way to do this? Is there a better way to make a copy of it? Get installed apps. Can I ask what company you pay for your domain? Who was it? I don't know. It just came with my website. Just came with my website. Google domain? I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It just came from my web host. I don't know. I don't know if it came from somewhere else. You should make a yeet sketch on your main channel. That'd be funny. Steve yeets everything. Yeet. Yeet. I'll record my own voice and put it in it as well. That's a pretty good idea. That Master Chief donated $0. What? Change the pitch. Yeet! Didn't even care. I just yeet everything. So we just want to create a new hash set so we can... So basically you can't add your own applications in, but we can make that like protected and then the taskbar. In the taskbar, we can say we got access to laptop or GUI. That should be like laptop. We'll do laptop.get installed apps.size. Uh-oh. So not a get. Oopsie, no, sorry. We need laptop installed apps. Wait, what? It's because that's a set. Oops. Let's make it explicitly. I don't know what the word is. It's not explicitly. Get. No. I'm like, get the heck out of here. No! Oh, well. How do we... Tree set won't work. Because it doesn't have an index. It doesn't work by indexes. But... I could do it differently. Scoop-de-scoop. Scoopity-scoop. De-poop. De-poop. Have you guys heard that song? Have you guys heard that song? Scoopity scoop, scoop de scoop, poop de poop de scoopity scoop. It's a new Kanye West song. Scoopity scoop. Scoopty poop. Scoopity scoopity scoop. Go check it out. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. So we might just have to do this differently. The thing is, I need to use like an array. List. Cray slowly look through the messages. Amazing session of eating with Cray. What can we do it as? Right, list. Then we have like tree list. What's the sorted list? It's like a sorted list implementation. How do you get those emojis? Become a sponsor today. Become a sponsor to get access to those custom emojis. Alright, I guess there's no sorted list. I can't use a set because I can't get access to like they don't do indexes. So we have to get rid of that. We have to say like here. Pretty easy to do though. We just have to say collections, sort, and stored apps. Like that. That was it. Oh. Since 1.8, oh, okay. Cool. Is that like a... Do I like store it or not? Oh no, just arrays, sort. Alright, interesting. Cheesy hackers. 5 Bitcoin a month, what? What did I say? What did I say? We're ordering pizza and I'ma yeet my slice. Yeet! I'ma yeet it. What did I say? Apparently, you guys posting the demonetized symbol. Demonetized. Yeah, demonetized crayfish. Oh, I forgot out one of the emojis. Damn it! I forgot a couple of the emojis. Whoops. They're kind of missing from that thing. I'm missing the thumbs up. I'm missing the thumbs up in the cracker one. No! I'll have to get that fixed. Wait, is actually the... Oh, hold on. Let's have a look at it again. Yeah, no, the cracker one isn't on there. And that cheese is not supposed to be on there either. Whoops. Alright, we'll fix that up later. Become a sponsor. For not doing a cheese hype. Oh, demonetized for not doing a cheese hype. We'll do a cheese hype soon. Cheese hype soon. Bye, I got to go to bed. Thanks for coming, little Colby. Catch you later. This is a PG server. That you want me to. Alright, so we need to create a way to install an application. You'll never be. Add window. Window public void. Install application. Install application. I'll say install that. I don't know. Install. And then we need some fancy tasks. Apart. The heck? Managed to cruise to the crayfish. I spent an hour, so I had 100,000 EMS in my bank account. Holy shit, dude, that's a lot. I remember when you created the legendary and forever loved furniture mod. Now you're making computers. Hey now. Sup, Cray? Been a huge fan of your work for a while now. I just found out about the channel. Like 2 years late, my dude. But no, I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here. I'm glad you I'm glad you like my mods. Yeah, we're gonna have to use a task because I need to get a response. So we'll have to use a yeah, network task. Let's network tasks. Get devices, connect. I don't want to have to do it. I don't want to have to play around with that. The update is dank. Who's excited for this update? I watched Cray since you unboxed that Lenovo laptop. That was the first video. I'm gonna help pick up the pizza. Pick up the pizza. Send me some pizza, guys. Anyone want to send me some pizza? BRB, it's alright. Guess we got a new package for a task. Kind of like some general tasks. I'll say task, install app, extends task. I'm gonna clean up this whole entire thing because I just hate it. I hate the task system now. That would actually be kind of cool. Wait, what would be cool? I lost context. Who's posting the eyes? Someone's posting the eyes. Oh my god. No! We post custom emoji. We post the custom emoji. Prepare request. We need to have like another. That's what I thought was cool. Oh, that thing. No! Are we gonna have like a raid of the smiley faces? Oh my god. A raid. Uh-oh. Prepare yourselves, guys. Get formatted ID. Oh my lord! If they're taking over. They're taking over, my dudes. Uh-oh. This is not a Mr. Creative stream anymore. You must bow down. Bow down to the Iron Tongue Lord. The Iron Tongue Lord. What's its name? What's its name? What do we call this monster? I like you so much, Mr. Crayfish. Thanks for your lightning spell. What going on? I will yeet you. You will not yeet me, Richard. You will not yeet me. It's rude. App. App info. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's the yeet face. It's the yeet face. BRB, I'm getting into the hot tub. I was the one who said motorcycle. A lot of people said motorcycle. A lot of people said motorcycle. Ready, set, yeet. Just finished watching a movie? That's what's up, Zontic. Oh my god, I started something. Just Viper started. Hold up, let's have a look. He did too. Uh-oh. He did too. So laptop buzz. Technically we don't need to do that, let's get rid of that. So laptop pause. We need to do tile entity laptop equals world.get tile entity nbt.block pause from long nbt.get long pause. Oopsie, just tile entity for now. If tile entity instance of tile entity laptop there we go. Roblox isn't better than Minecraft. Oh my god, they're taking over my stream. They're literally taking over the stream. Yo, leave the stream now, Ben. Who's this? Can you do a survival what? A survival series on Swancraft. Don't even know what that is. Remember yesterday on the server when me mum started to yell and I had to leave? Rest in peace, dude. Uh-oh, someone's mum's here. Get off the stream, Crayfish! I fear my creating has done something else. It's a Viper. We've created something. We do cheese hype now. Uh-oh. The yeet face is taking over. Alright, we need like a method in here to say like install application. Install app. We could probably do like just get system data. System data equals laptop.get system data. I'll say nbt tag. I'll say we need like a get or create method. Why do they not have that? I guess we could say like nbt tag compound installed apps. Oh no, oopsie, it'd be like a nbt tag list equals new nbt tag list. Oopsie, sorry, system data dot get tag list installed apps think that's what I called it. Let's have a look. Make sure we've done it right. Yup. Then we'll say tag lol. We can't check if it's already installed. We have to write our own kind of way to do it. We have to do our own way. But then we should create a way to actually convert it to a list. Convert it to an actual list, then we can check. I don't know. For int I equals 0, I is less than tag list.tag count I plus plus. Then we'll say if tag list.get string tag at I equals info what's it, app ID. If it equals app ID, then we'll say this dot set we'll say return I'll say tag list dot append new MBT string and then we'll do like system data dot set tag installed apps tag list, so just reset it. We also need to do uninstall. Okay, so I don't know, like task manage app. I don't know, we could like send a boolean to say install. MBT.set boolean. You can say if nbt.get boolean install. So if this is false, it means we're removing it. So I can say tag list. Tag list. We need to search for it. Tag list or remove tag. Yeah, we need to search for it. Say tag list dot remove tag at I return. Also, remove iron. This does set successful. Here, say else. So if it's uninstall, we should probably do this around the other way. So if installing, do that. If uninstalling, do this. I know we should do like here, put that there. Because that should only be appended if it's installing. And yeah, so it's successful there. Because if we put it down there, then we'll have like okay. Get alright, then on laptop we have install application, and then we'll have like a uninstall, and then we'll have like a remove. I could do uninstall application, but I just feel like install and remove application are better. Used to have content. The chat is silent because I'm not looking at it. The yeet face is lag and they have come to take over run. Notch needs to make a YouTube channel. No. He used to have channel Nizotch. He used to make good content. What happened? Those were the days. The only YouTuber I liked. It's new task, install app, info, puz, true. Task.set callback, new callback. So if success, great success. If great success, then task, oopsie, task manager.send task. If great success, then we go ahead and we say installed apps dot add info sort I don't know if we unless we rename this to a different method, because the only thing that, oh no, I guess the callback's going to be different as well. Remove info. Don't need to sort it again because I'm not adding to it. Pickle juice is so good. That sounds disgusting. Would you guys drink pickle juice? Alright, now that we've done that, we go to Programs, System, App Store, App Layout page. Where's that install button? Set click listener, new click listener. Say if mouse button equals 0, laptop dot install application. Oh, this is looking good. Support install application info. We also need to say maybe like if laptop dot. Is there a way? Oh, we haven't created a way to check if the application is installed. Get install. Get installed applications. Do we do that instead? Like instead of having this get installed applications, you can say is application installed. But then again, you can't. If we have get installed apps, it means you can actually get a list of all the apps that are installed. Whereas if we actually have a method that says is application installed, you don't really know what ones are installed. Like you can test, but you don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna call these like install. Well, public boolean is app. Is application installed? We're taking an app info, and then we'll say return installed apps dot contains info. Ka-ching. Say is application installed info. And we'll say button install.set text un. We could say remove, install remove. We could say private boolean installed. We'll say installed. Wait, where's info get? Initialize pass. This dot installed equals laptop dot is application installed info. Then we can do like here instead. If it's installed, then set it to remove. And we say if installed, then we'll say remove, else install. Actually, let's go install application. Let's go full names. Remove application. Makes more sense, I guess. Yeah, install application info. And then we'll say after that, remove application. Let's create a public void copy of this. Callback. Let's do object. Yeah, I need to really change this callback system. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, it shouldn't have the like, I don't know. Like, if it has, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out later. And then we'll say at nullable 2. And I'll say callback, execute, say null success. Oh, so yeah, sorry. If callable, callback doesn't equal null. That's what you wanted. Maybe we just actually say that instead. Probably a little bit better. And then we'll say new callback, and then oopsie. We need a success. Don't know why that didn't work. I think it's because it's inside of another thing here. I'm gonna do like button install dot set text. So if it did successfully remove it, revert it back to install. And that changed to remove. Alrighty, so from my brain here, this should be working, and like this is pretty good timing because if it works right now, we've worked on this perfectly within the 2 hours. So pretty awesome. Are you guys a sponsor yet? Are you guys a sponsor? You can become a sponsor for $5. Get access to exclusive emoji, sponsor only Minecraft server, and more. It's just, it feels weird doing that. You guys a sponsor? Support the stream. Just subbed and hi. What up, Negro? Oh my god. Holy crap, get that off here. Change your name, holy shoot. He purposely did it, by the way. Alright. We all know it's just... he's playing. Oh my god. Oh wow. Soft speed through the setback. You can't win them all, but I'm glad I tried. Uninstall the App Store. It's pronounced loophole. Yeah, no, it's loophole. I want to get rid of that. Get out of here. Now I know what the errors are. Cray, do you know JSON files development learning videos? What? Don't you wanna, don't you wanna, don't you wanna? Alright, we'll have to sort this out later. So again, stop dwelling on empty words. Do I really not have access to laptop? I really don't have access to laptop. Now I do. Laptop open. We need like a public void open app info. We'll say open applications got get. Ah! We need to do like applications.stream.find filter. Pretty sure it's like find we do a filter. Is find first, optional, application, and then we'll say if optional is present, and we'll say open optional.get. Okay. Cool. Alright, there we go. Start this up now. Should be a little bit better. The only problem is we don't have the app. We don't have the app installed. We don't have the application installed straight off the bat. Get system data. So that's where it gets the system data from. Where's that create laptop? Laptop. Right, sync tag, system data. Okay. Get system data. We need like a default. We need like a default, like a private NBT tag, compound, get default system data. Because we need to set up like one that already has the app installed. Because if we go into here right now, right now, we won't see that it's actually installed. I've been around since 1.6.2 tutorials. It was one of the tutorials I followed, but not the thing that made me a fan. It was a device mod that got me hooked. I got him hooked. I want to learn JSON programming. JSON isn't programming, by the way. It's a data. It's a data format. It's data serialization. Well, there we go, no applications. Whoa. So we have a slight problem. Alright. System data. Or the App Store might not be installed. The App Store and stuff won't be installed for old laptops. So we've got to fix that up. Like we can still do this, right? We can still do like tag.set nb, let's say set tag installed apps. We still have to do like nbt tag list. Say list.append new nbt tag string cdm. I think it's App Store. Whoa. Yeah, it's App Store. Tag list apps. Return tag. So I can say something like that, get default system data. But then we need to make sure, like, because like imagine if someone somehow was able to uninstall the App Store. Uninstall the App Store. It's how do you install apps after that? Because you need the App Store to install apps. So if you uninstall the App Store, you're stranded. That will be a virus. That will be the virus that somebody installs that uninstalls everybody's App Store. And the funny thing is, it's not easy for a normal player to actually reinstall it. So that's why I've got to ensure that it's always installed. We're going overtime. Hashtag overtime livestream. If you guys have been enjoying this so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button. And if you want to get a shout out, make sure you go over to my Twitter right now before it ends. so you can get your shout out, because we're going to be ending it off. You could do block data. What do you mean block data? Oh no, hold up. We need to create a new laptop. That's why it didn't come up. Ka-ching! There it is. Application market. Yes! Alright, let's go search. What do we want to install? What do we want to install? I don't want some crappy applications. Ah! What is this? What is this? Null pointer exception. Where? Null. Uh-oh. 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 Does that get access to that protected app? Uh-oh. What? I thought I fixed that up. How did we fix that up? We fixed it up in another patch. Ah. Where the heck's the system implementation? Where's that? Oh, it's in the API app. Alright. Get installed apps. That's gonna be different now, doesn't it? We didn't implement that, did we? Oh no, we did. Just make sure we know we're overriding it. Get installed. Yeah, make it like full. And then we'll make it a list too. Then we're like, I don't know, like collection start. Copy. Unmodifiable collection. What's I think it's like a new. What's the code again? It's a new. Immutable list. Beautiful. When GitWeb is going to be finished, I don't know yet. Override. Alright, so we should be able to do now. No. Let's move that into like here. Laptop get system is application stored info. We can still leave it there, technically. Might put that there. We should have had. If we had that there, we would have known. If we had that annotation, we would have known an error could have occurred. But no, didn't check. Alright, can we get some hype right now? Hype? This could be the one that works. Ah, help me! Alright, here we go. Alright, let's test this out. Let's test it out. Oh, switch over. Switch over to that. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Hey, what's up? This is normal. This is normal. This is way normal. Alright. Happy May the 4th. May the 4th be with you! Had to do it. Alright, here we go. Can't see the button. Uh-oh. Oy. Install! Ah! Oh my god. Who would have thought? What an error. Ugh. No pointer exception, what? What is this? Ah, I see. Very smart, I see. Can't be null. Whoever's doing this. Application App Store. Where's this? Layout app page. Well, I know technically I know that it's always going to be application app store app. Technically, I always know it's going to be the application app store, so I can, oopsie, sorry, I can cast it. I mean, we're not really checking, but I know it's going to be, because nowhere else is going to use it really. There should really be like, instead of that, application app store. What is going on? No! I just want to change it to an application app store. There we go. And then wherever this gets called. Yeah, it works. And what happens with that? Ah, that gets called there. We'll explicitly keep a thing here as well. App store. Yeah, I can make that too. And then we can say just here now. It's a bit safer, in a way. Just make sure we don't... So you can't use a layout search app without actually having a lap store instance. Fixed boat race is also mine bay. Lel. Everybody keeps suggesting that. Lag. That's your problem. Lel turns down equality. It's your own problem. Your internet can't handle the stream. Turn down to 360p. Your stream can't handle. Your internet can't handle it. 360p. Can't even see what he's doing though. Alright, here we go, guys. Hype. 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 What the? Where did my app store go? There it is. Where'd that go? Alright, whatever. Unregistered task. Whoops. Whoops. Core. Whoops. Task. Where's this being called? Fixed boat races. Wow. Later, hater. Superhero. You're a superhero. Yas. It's Lenovo Legion. Yeah, boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's because we didn't update the installed. So installed equals false. Whoops. And that's why I wanted to... Oh no, hold up, we're gonna make sure we do this right too. Yeah, we can do that, okay. We need to do it like here. Install equals false. Because we don't know if it actually installed or not properly, so we need to do it inside of there. Uh-oh. Alright, need to restart. The problem with it removing the applications is because of the... Your boy can't handle more than 17 apps. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's supposed to, but I think it's broken at the moment. Why can't I watch parts of the stream that already happened? Is because I've got super low latency option on the stream, which basically means you can't watch what happened before. It's so I can actually have real-time interaction. So pretty much after I say something, it's like 5 seconds after you guys will actually hear me. It's like it's pretty much like real-time, and it's good for interaction because I can be like, everybody post a cheese emoji right now, and like straight after that you guys will post it. All right, let's go here. Install, remove. Install, remove, install, remove. No! Bum, 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 bum. Maybe it just doesn't... Success is false. Oh. Why is that like that? It should be that. What the heck? So we'll get a list of all the stuff installed. So what's installed so far? This has just installed the App Store. And after it has Endermail installed, so correct. Installs it, and say remove. So what does it have installed? Apparently it's just the App Store. System data. Possibly because we're not actually assigning it, so we have to say system data equals null. We'll say system data equals this, and then return system data. Alright, let's get a new laptop. There we go. So that was the problem. It just wasn't saving it on the server side, so I can uninstall. We can remove. How many years later are you going to add a phone? Probably 10 years. My guesstimates. 10 years later, guesstimate. So there we go. We can get Endermail. Oh, look at this beautiful application. Holy shoot. Look at this, guys. This is the feature of Endermail. What happens if the app is currently open when uninstalled? I might add like a message, like saying if app is open, close it off. Please say 10 years MC time. Look at that beautiful app. Ah! I think I did actually update this. Yeah, I did. Oh! That is beautiful. That is a beautiful application right there. What do you guys think of that? Endermail. Updated with this. Let's go to Mr. Crayfish. We need to update this, by the way. This is something I still haven't got to. Endermail. Hello. What up, dude? What up, pimps? What up, pimps? Oh, look at this. New email. Ah, what up, pimps? Absolutely beautiful. We should have a border around this, I feel like there should be a border around it. Plus, there's a weird padding here. That's nice. I'm unable to join the Discord. I don't know. Have you got Discord? Wow, never seen you before. So many people just come in and they're just like, oh look, I'm gonna swear in his chat. Oh, look at me say rebel. Ban instantly. See you later, dude. Like, I'm not trying to make fun of people. I'm trying to literally be, like, rational here. Like, what rational human being, never been in the stream before, comes in the live stream and swears as their first message? we can just instantly ban you. Congratulations, you just wasted your time on this live stream. Mommy banned me! Pretty much. But yeah, things are coming along nice. So there we go, guys. We added in, actually, installation. There's still some things we got to fix up, like it's overriding the data by accident. But that's going to end off this live stream today, my dudes. Let's go ahead and commit this as well. I'm going to commit. See, what the heck is this? Discard. I refactored something and it renamed like everything. Just make sure we're not. You refactor one thing, it refactors literally everything. We'll say apps. No. No. Apps. Applications can be installed through App Store. I'll say app market. It's technically the app market. Push those. Please don't end. Oops. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts, and if you guys did enjoy this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap that like button right in half. You guys are a sponsor yet? You can gain access to exclusive emoji, a sponsor-only Minecraft server, and more. Last minute plug. Consider becoming a sponsor, my dudes. Become a part of this awesome community. Oops. Alrighty, so we got a shout out to Space Cat, and then let's go ahead into the actual retweets here. The actual retweets. We're gonna shout out to Master Chief, J Splat, Haunted Corpse, Zach Monarch, Jack Chronicle, Hubert, Ocelot, Yasser Al Shinwa, Donovan Wood, Nation Angels, ThinkLab Minions, Fabi50, and Vu Hoang Hai. I think that's how you say it, I'm not too sure. Oh, Penguin song. Cheers guys for the support there over on Twitter. I appreciate all of you guys, and thank you guys for coming along to this live stream today. Hold up, am I opening Premiere? Oh, awesome, sick. Just open Premiere up mid-stream. That's the best thing that I wanted to do. But that's gonna end up this live stream today. Thank you guys for joining in. I need like an ending screen. We need to create an ending screen, don't we? I'll have to get that done. Because it says welcome my dudes. It should say goodbye my dudes. Goodbye my dudes. But thank you guys for coming along. Hope you enjoyed. There might not be a live stream tomorrow, but there will most likely be a live stream Sunday my time, Saturday your time if you're from the US. So stick around then. It might even be a main channel live stream, so maybe put post notifications on for my main channel so you don't miss out. But thank you guys so much for coming along. Thank you to the super chatters of today. I didn't actually update the donation thing. Here we go. It should actually update now. Update it, please. There we go. All updated now. So there, thank you guys for coming along. I'll catch you guys later. And peace out, my dudes. See you later. Bye. Where's my ending thing? See you later.